9 years ago, in what can be termed as a major milestone, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his UN address suggested the annual day of yoga on June 21st. It is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere, also known popularly across the world as summer solstice. The draft resolution was endorsed by 175 countries, and UN announced International Day of Yoga every year on June 21st in the year 2015. In 2016, yoga was also inscribed on the representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. As part of the 9th International Day of Yoga celebrations on June 21st, 2023, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lead a yoga session for the first time in UN headquarters. What PM Modi said at the time of the resolution while addressing the 69th session of the General Assembly in 2015 is pretty much the essence of this important day. He said yoga is an invaluable gift from our ancient tradition. Yoga embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action. A holistic approach is valuable to our health and our well-being. It is a way to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and nature. The International Day of Yoga aims to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga and has been instrumental in the increasing global appeal of the ancient practice. PM Modi will lead the yoga session in the historic commemoration of the day this year from the UN headquarters. The yoga session will run from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. on June 21st at the expansive northern lawn in the UN headquarters, where a bust of Mahatma Gandhi, a gift from India to UN, was installed in December last year during the country's presidency of the UN Security Council. Top UN officials, ambassadors, envoys, delegates from member states, as well as prominent members of the global and diaspora communities are expected to be present for the session in yoga-friendly attires. President of the 77th session of the United Nations General Assembly, Saba Qureshi, already shared in a tweet how he is looking forward to the session and Mr. Modi's visit. Prime Minister Modi is visiting the US from June 21st to 24th at the invitation of US President Joe Biden and First Lady Jill Biden. They will host Modi at a state dinner on June 22nd. The visit will also include an address to the joint session of the Congress on June 22nd. The packed trip will also include an invitation-only gathering of diaspora leaders from across the country at the Ronald Reagan Building and International Trade Center in Washington on June 23rd.